Hello from Seoul. Teriyaki chicken and rice is one of the greatest combos of all time. But juggling all those pots and pans is kind of a hassle. If this is you, you've come to the right place. Today, we're gonna be making teriyaki chicken one-pot rice. Yes, instead of cooking the teriyaki chicken and rice separately, we're doing everything in just one pot to make a super simple yet delicious meal. How about that? This is the recipe you've always been waiting for, right? So please give it a shot. If you do, you will experience one of the best chicken and rice that you've ever had. I guarantee it. For this, you will need some rice, boneless skin on chicken thighs, garlic, ginger, onion, and green onions. Super simple, right? Trust me, with just these few ingredients, you're gonna create the ultimate one-pot wonder. Plus, you don't even need to marinate the chicken today, which means one less dish to wash. Pretty good deal, right? Alright, let's start with the rice first. Take 2 cups of short grain rice and wash it about 3 times. And then soak it in some cold water for at least 30 minutes. This step is very important when you're cooking rice on the stovetop, because if you skip it, the rice can be undercooked. So if you don't want to see your hungry birds mad at you, please do not skip this step. Alright, while the rice is having a great time in the pool, let's prepare the seasoning water for our rice. In a container with 2 cups of water, add 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder, half a tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, and give it a good mix. This is totally optional, but if you happen to have this hondashi, then just add a pinch. You will add a touch of bonito flavor and take this dish to a whole new level. Now, let's prepare the vegetables. First, smash 5 cloves of garlic and finely chop them. And then grate a small knob of ginger, about 1 teaspoon, will be enough. Once that's done, finely dice half an onion. And then take 5 green onions and thinly slice them. As always, the whites are gonna be stir-fried to infuse our oil, and the greens are gonna be used for a beautiful garnish. So make sure to keep them separate, like this. Now, let's make the star of the show today, teriyaki sauce. In a small container, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of sake, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and give it a good mix. That's it! Super simple, right? There's literally no reason not to try this at home. By the way, we have all the instructions and a list of ingredients on our blog at ronandclaire.com. So please visit here if you need a written recipe. Alright, everything's ready. Let's get cooking. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to a pot and heat it over medium-high heat. Once it gets nice and hot, add 1 pound of chicken thighs, skin side down, and season them with a pinch of salt. And then let them sear for about 3 minutes. Once the bottom turns golden brown and the fat has rendered out, flip and sear the other side for another 3 minutes or until nicely browned. Here, if the moisture from the chicken is causing too much oil splatter, feel free to wipe out the excess fat with a paper towel, but make sure to leave a little bit to create our beautiful aromatic oil. When the chicken turns nice and golden, reduce the heat to medium-low. And then to that, add the garlic, ginger, teriyaki sauce, and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or until your chicken is beautifully glazed. During this step, make sure to keep flipping the chicken pieces so they get evenly coated in the delicious teriyaki sauce. Now, let's set the chicken aside for a moment. And if you want to make your chicken look fancier, scoop out a few tablespoons of this teriyaki sauce and brush it over the chicken right before serving. Pretty good tip, right? Now in the same pot, add the onion, white parts of the green onions, and saute those for about 2 minutes. Trust me, these aromatic vegetables will make your rice super fragrant. Once your kitchen is filled with the amazing aroma, add the drained rice. And then stir everything together for about 1 minute. This step infuses all those amazing flavors directly into the rice, so do not skip it. Now, pour in the seasoned water that we prepared earlier, and keep stirring it until it starts to boil. And don't forget to scrape up all that delicious stuff stuck on the bottom. It's not only gonna deglaze the pot, but it's also gonna help keep the rice from sticking and burning at the bottom. So please keep stirring it until it boils. Otherwise, you might end up with charcoal flavored rice on your table. What? You wanna know this kind of tip more and more? I'm so glad you brought that up, because everything you need is in these 2 books. Trust me, with these bad boys, simply Korean and beyond Korean, you can cook 200 East Asian dishes like Korean, Chinese, Japanese, and even Korean fusion dishes like a pro. So don't forget to check them out. The link is in the description. Alright, once it comes to a boil, reduce the heat to low. Place your teriyaki chicken pieces and all those resting juices back into the pot and then cover it with the lid. From now, all you need to do is just let it simmer for about 15 minutes. That's it! Unbelievably simple, right? There's literally no reason not to try this at home. Alright, it's been 15 minutes. Let's remove it from the heat and let it steam for another 10 minutes. But make sure you don't open the lid. If you lift it now and let the steam escape, that perfectly cooked the rice that you're looking for, yeah, that's gonna happen in your next life. Or maybe next life. I warned you. So if that happens, I'm totally not responsible. Alright, it's been 10 minutes. Let's open it up. How about that? It looks absolutely gorgeous, right? Now, set the chicken aside for a second and add some green onions, a pat of butter, and give it a good mix. Now, put the chicken back on top and generously brush them with that reserved teriyaki sauce. Here, if you want a little smoky charred flavor, then hit them with a blowtorch for a few seconds. Alright, it's really done. Let's go to our taste tester and see how it tastes.
Blair.
Yay! Another one pot recipe! I know I always get excited whenever I get this kind of one pot dish, but I can't help it. I'm so excited. Let's give it a try. Let's open it! Ta-da!
오, 비주얼 장난 없는데? 솥밥으로 했는데도 위에 치킨이 정말 막 반짝반짝 윤기가 나는 게 너무너무 맛있어 보인다. 오, 그럼 퍼볼까요? 가져와 볼까요? 듬뿍듬뿍.
And top it off with a beautifully cooked chicken. This is what I'm talking about.
탑이 또 얼마나 시즌이 잘 되어 있는지 봐보겠습니다. Cheers! 너무 맛있어.
밥이 정말 진짜 향긋하네요. 버터향이 샥 느껴지고 거기에 온갖 종류의 아로마틱 베지터블의 향이 그냥 녹아져 있는 게 진짜 입이 행복하다. 밥도 정말 촉촉하니 잘 되어 있는데 왜 누른 밥이 중간중간 있어줘가지고 꼬들꼬들한 그런 식감까지 바삭바삭한 그런 식감까지 추가해주니까 너무 재밌어. 밥이 이 정도면 뭐 치킨은 볼 필요도 없겠죠. 너무 맛있을 것 같아. 이번엔 치킨. Cheers. 와, 치킨 자체는 그냥 너무 촉촉하니 맛있는데 그 위에 샥 뿌려져 있는 그 데리야끼 소스가 정말 맛있게 만들어주는 것 같아. 왜 정성 들여서 정말 그냥 데리야끼 치킨 딱 단품으로 만들었었을 때 그런 느낌을 어느 정도 받을 수 있을 정도로 그 소스 자체에 향이 되게 잘 배어있어. 너무 맛있네. 데리야끼 소스도 과하지 않게 달지 않아서 짭조름하면서도 너무 맛있게 잘 나온 것 같아. 오, 진짜 맛있다. 우리 흔히 이제 조금 있으면은 간할 수 있는데 요거 해주면 엄청 좋아할 것 같은데 버터 좋아하고 뭐 치킨 좋아하고 밥 좋아하니 뭐 너무 좋아할 것 같은데? 데리야끼 치킨이라고 해서 밥이 너무 달아지는 건 아닌가 살짝 걱정했었는데 전혀 그렇지 않고 그냥 짭조름하니 맛있다. 약간 왜 일본 스타일 장어덮밥 있잖아. 그런 느낌이 나는 것 같아. 왜 밥 위에 윤기 쫙쫙 흐르는 장어 대신 치킨 샥 올라간 것 같은 느낌? 그런 느낌이 난다. If you are a big fan of teriyaki chicken, this is the way to go. I'm sure you will absolutely love it. Hope you guys try and enjoy. Bye!
Today, I showed you how to make teriyaki chicken one-pot rice, one of my absolute favorite weeknight dinner recipes of all time. How was it? Super simple and easy, right? Honestly, making teriyaki chicken is not that difficult, but making the chicken and rice separately is kind of a hassle. Especially these days, chasing a baby around all day, this recipe is an absolute lifesaver. So if you're dealing with a hectic schedule like me, you gotta give this a try. Trust me, you will thank me later. Alright, this is it for today, and I'll see you next time.